In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Twitter, aka X, after the new update. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, some users have noticed that the dark mode toggle itself was removed from inside the app. Don't worry, you can still enable it. You just have to do it a different way now. To do it, go ahead and back out of X and just swipe out of it fully. And then from here, go ahead and open up your device's settings. And this is going to work on any device, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, Samsung, PC, whatever it might be. Essentially, you need to look for your display and brightness settings on your device. So scroll down a little bit, open up those display and brightness settings, and up at the very top, you're going to see a dark and light mode setting. This is going to be your app appearance settings. Obviously, if you switch to light mode, it's going to get light. If you switch to dark mode, it's going to be dark. As soon as you switch it to dark mode, you just got to back out and then reopen up Twitter, and it's going to automatically apply to Twitter. This is because dark mode now applies to any apps that actually do support it, and X is one of those apps. But it really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and enable dark mode here on Twitter or X after the update. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.